On June 23, 2023, an officer observed a vehicle fail to stop at a flashing red light. The officer attempted to conduct a traffic stop, but the driver refused to pull over and continued driving through a nearby neighborhood, initiating a pursuit. Although the driver didn't stop at first, he eventually pulled over. However, the stop didn't last long.
Police department, turn the car off. Take the keys out of the ignition. Turn the car off. They're taking off northbound.
Headquarters 1050, Main Street 11. I need EMS now, squad involved. Stop!
When the suspect accelerated for a second time in an attempt to escape, he crashed into another assisting patrol vehicle, causing it to roll over. He then fled on foot, but officers quickly caught up to him and used a taser to take him into custody. As if that wasn't enough, the driver was visibly intoxicated, explaining the reckless decisions that led to the entire incident. On June 6, 2016, White Lake Township Police stopped a woman near M59 and Fisk Road. The driver gave officers a false name, but while they were verifying her information, she suddenly sped away, initiating a pursuit.
Negative. Someone westbound 59 running the phone. She's got multiple. One 20 stars.
She was later identified as Mercedes Morris, who was wanted on multiple outstanding warrants. The suspect pushed her SUV at high speeds along M59, weaving through traffic as officers stayed close behind.
Approaching Bogey. Through the light of Bogey. Yeah. Don't want to go out of Bogey. Gotcha. Should be clear with egress. I'm out with fire. You like how you know where we're going out now? Adam William David 392, AWD 392. Copy. Do we have good info on the suspect vehicle? I Chrysler 2-door to James Newwood out of Island. I found it. The vehicle, user is on, Chrysler 59 Fisk, Ridge. He's right.
The pursuit lasted several minutes before she lost control of the vehicle and crashed into a utility pole in Highland Township. After the crash, officers quickly surrounded the SUV and took Morris into custody without further incident. In addition to her outstanding warrants and suspended driver's license, she faced multiple new charges. On September 28, 2025, Trooper Russell was running stationary radar on U.S. Highway 167 in Jackson County when he clocked a small passenger car traveling 70 miles per hour in a 60 miles per hour zone. The trooper attempted a traffic stop, but instead of pulling over, the driver accelerated and fled, reaching speeds of up to 130 miles per hour. The suspect led troopers through several highways and county roads, driving into oncoming traffic and continuing at dangerous speeds. A pit maneuver was attempted but was unsuccessful, allowing the pursuit to continue. Moments later, the driver suddenly jumped out of the moving vehicle and ran on foot while the car rolled into a group of trees. Troopers secured the scene and took the passenger into custody without incident. During a search of the vehicle, officers found marijuana, a stun gun, alcoholic beverages, and tattoo equipment. The passenger was transported to the Jackson County Jail while the evidence was seized by the Arkansas State Police. On September 22, 2022, troopers were alerted to a white Mini Cooper that had fled a traffic stop by Ringgold Police Department on Interstate 75. A short time later, Officers located the vehicle and attempted another traffic stop, but the driver refused to pull over and instead initiated a high-speed pursuit. The suspect drove at speeds approaching 120 miles per hour, weaving through traffic, passing on the shoulder, and even splitting between tractor trailers. Once the pursuit reached a clear stretch of interstate, the trooper decided to end the chase with a pit maneuver. The maneuver was successful, but both the suspect's vehicle and the patrol car crashed off the roadway. After the crash, the suspect ran into a nearby wooded area but was quickly located and taken into custody.